In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on TikTok Ads Manager. First and foremost, let's understand why someone might want to delete a campaign on TikTok. Perhaps the campaign is no longer relevant, it didn't meet your marketing goals, or maybe you're pivoting your strategy and want to clear the slate. No matter the reason, TikTok Ads Manager provides a straightforward way to do this. But it's essential to follow the steps carefully to ensure you're only deleting what you intend to. Begin by navigating to the TikTok Ads homepage. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. For those of you managing multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one to avoid any mishaps. After you type in your email and password, click the login button. You might be asked to complete a CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a bot. It's a simple step, but important for security purposes. Once you've successfully verified yourself, you'll receive a code sent to your email. This is an extra layer of security that TikTok uses to protect your account. Find that code in your email inbox, enter it on the screen, and proceed. Once logged in, you're ready to navigate to the heart of today's task. Find the Campaigns tab. Here you'll see a list of your campaigns displayed. It's a good time to double check that you're about to delete the right campaign. Sometimes, with the hustle and bustle of digital marketing, it's easy to click too quickly. So take a moment here to ensure everything is as it should be. Next to the campaign you wish to delete, you'll see a checkbox. Go ahead and check that box. This action selects the campaign, but nothing is deleted yet. It's merely the first step in telling TikTok Ads Manager which campaign you're focusing on. Look for the Edit drop-down menu. It's usually located just above the list of campaigns. Click on it and a list of options will appear. Among these options you'll find Delete. Clicking this essentially tells TikTok, hey, I'm serious about removing this campaign. But even at this juncture, TikTok gives you one more chance to back out, which is great for those moments when you might have second thoughts. Once you click delete, a confirmation dialog will pop up. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on confirm. Once you do, the campaign will be permanently deleted from your TikTok ads account. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting a campaign on TikTok Ads Manager. It's a straightforward process, but remember, deletion is permanent. So always make sure you're deleting the right campaign. Sometimes it might be worth taking a screenshot or note of the campaign settings before deleting, just in case you need to recreate it in the future. Additionally, consider revising your remaining campaigns to ensure they align with your marketing strategy. Deleting a campaign can sometimes shift your perspective on what's working and what isn't, offering a valuable opportunity to refine your approach. Remember, the world of digital marketing is dynamic, and being able to adeptly manage your advertising campaigns, including knowing when and how to delete them, is part of harnessing the full potential of platforms like TikTok for your business. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Good luck with your future digital marketing endeavors, and see you in the next video.